In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can make a rupee symbol in Microsoft Word using a shortcut key. So let's get started. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and simply type Word. Click on Microsoft Word under the best match. Click on the blank document. Then here we just need to simply follow this shortcut. It's Alt plus A377. Okay, let's try. Alt, Alt plus A377. Okay, we need to use the on-screen keyboard for this. So if you don't have the numeric keypad, then we have to use the on-screen keyboard. Okay, so press Alt and then A377 on the numeric keypad, and that's it. The rupee symbol has been created. Okay, now let's try again. Press Alt on keyboard as you can see, and then on the numeric keypad, press 8377. Okay, so again, it's Alt plus 8377. So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.